Here I am at Pinewood's booth here at IWA, and I shall try to find Reino, the owner and founder of Pinewood, to have a little chat with him about what he have for new stuff this year. I've now found Reino here, and Reino, you have some really interesting new hunting suits for this year. So please tell us about this new suit.
Yes, this is the new forest camo suit of Pinewood. It is launched in a strata pattern made from true timber in the USA. To do that, we have developed our own strata blaze pattern to make a very brilliant combination between the greens and the oranges for safety reasons. We have a jacket, a suit, which naturally is waterproof, has a liner membrane, taped seams, and all those features that should be there. The jacket is equipped with zipper ventilation. We have new features such as magnetic locks.
Ah, nice.
Both on the jackets and on the pants.
Yeah.
We have double holders for radios.
So you can take out the antenna here.
Correct. That means it's for both left and right side shooters.
Yeah.
We have some excellent features in the pants where you have a zipper at the bottom leg to open up, to have a wider bottom leg of the trouser.
I like that very much because I can get it easily over my boots.
Yeah, a lot of consumers appreciate that. And we also equip our trousers with ventilation zippers, so when you're very active, it's always very comfortable to be able to zip open for better ventilation.
Yeah, I like it a lot, and even if it's very cold outside, you always get hot when you're moving around.
Correct.
It's coming in this pattern, but I also know that you have some different color options. Tell us more about those ones.
Correct. We have a Realtree version where we work with Realtree Extra and their AP Blaze. And then we have another version where it's more or less solid green with the orange blaze details for safety reasons.
Yeah, nice. And when is this available on the market? Is for this hunting season?
Those are brand new items, and they will be launched, delivered out to the retailers in the month of July and August.
Yeah, good. And this is some very nice stuff to have when we are out hunting, but we also have a life, most of us, besides the hunting, where we want to have some nice clothing. So shall we move over and see what we can find out?
Yes, we shall.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, we have now moved a little bit here in your booth, and you're well known for the hunting collection of clothing, but you're also into the lifestyle segment. Tell me about it.
The lifestyle segment is an important part of our program to be able to address the men and women, not just when they're hunting, also during their free time, going to work and so on. So it's a very important segment to our program.
Yeah, and it's like the country style of clothing, outdoors in general?
Not necessarily country styling. The style that we have here is in that direction, but the width of our range is far beyond just country lifestyle.
And if you want to learn more about this lifestyle clothing, where can you find the information?
The whole new program for Autumn-Winter 19 will be launched on our website and visible there from July and onwards.
Yeah.
So please visit that to see the new items.
Yeah. And with this, I will thank you very much, Reino, for your time showing us this, and we are looking forward to see all those new clothing out in the not only in the hunting forest, but also beside the hunting this season. Thank you very much. Thank you. If you like our videos, do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to us if you support us by subscribing to our channel.